This is Q Racing News, brought to you by the Bank of America Racing Challenge.
Vessel's Stallion Farm in Bonsall, California announced this week it's changing course. Farm manager Kevin Dixon says it's no longer economically feasible for Vessels to be in the stallion business. They've moved two of their top stallions to other locations and will now focus on mares. The two stallions are No Secrets Here, who's moving to Royal Vista Ranches near Wayne, Oklahoma, and FDD Dynasty, who will stand at Bob Moore Farms near Norman, Oklahoma, starting in 2014. Vessel's Stallion Farm will retain its share in a number of stallion syndicates, including First Down Dash, Mr. Jess Perry, and FDD Dynasty, among others. Dixon says they already have their own mares and will likely be buying more at Ruidoso and Heritage Place. Los Alamitos on Sunday hosted the Grade 1 Vessel's Maturity, which carries an automatic berth to the Champion of Champions. A lot of big names, as always. Last to Fire, Jess Feature Me Quick, PK Fire, De Niro, Bill's Last. Well, 400 yards and 19.346 seconds later, Jesus Avila and Jesus Cuevas' Last to Fire would finally be a Grade 1 stakes winner. The Jose de la Torre trained walk-through fire gelding had won plenty of trials, but never finished better than second in any Futurity or Derby, or even a maiden race for that matter. Jockey Francisco Rubio was aboard for this race. Jess Feature Me Quick was second. Bill's Last was third. De Niro went off as the even money favorite, but he was bumped early, finished out of the money. And talk about your blanket finishes. Delta Downs hosted the Firecracker Derby on Saturday, and Jet Black Gold Moment would stop the clock for owner Mercy Hinklin Horse Farm. She's a Texas-bred filly by Jet Black Patriot, ridden by Danny Laverne for trainer Kenneth Roberts Sr. Her debut as a 3-year-old was actually in the trials for this Derby, where she had the second fastest time. She's out of the Royal Quick Dash mare, Royally Streak. Well, you just saw Last to Fire win the Grade 1 Vessel's Maturity, and that would make him the big mover in this week's AQHA Racing Horse Player Now Top 10 poll for older horses. Last week, Priceless Feature took the top spot from Riley's Boy. And there is a newcomer to the poll for 2-year-olds, but you'll have to visit aqharacing.com to see that list. July 15th deadlines to the Bank of America Racing Challenge include regional races at Will Rogers Downs and Lone Star Park. It's 4 in Claremore and 2 in Grand Prairie. You can always swing by our website, aqharacing.com, for the latest Racing Challenge, Bonus Challenge, and Maiden Challenge schedules. That's it for Q Racing News. I'm Matt Darby in Amarillo, and I'll see you next week.
This is Q Racing News, brought to you by the Bank of America Racing Challenge.